I once made a video talking about how Jamaicans are the sweetest people in the world.
Excuse me. Yes. Question. I forgot my wallet at home. Is there any chance I could get like a piece of bread?
No problem. Just want something to eat.
Yeah.
You want a cup of coffee?
You sure?
I paid for it.
Are you sure?
For it, yes.
Why?
But I wanted to give you an example of how just freaking precious these people are. But honestly, probably the reason why they're so nice and so freaking amazing is because where they live looks like this.
People travel to Jamaica expecting the sun, the beaches, the music, and the food, of course. But there is one thing that shocks almost every visitor, and it's not what they imagined, it's the kindness of the Jamaican people. Yes, that's right. The warmth, the smiles, the just making you feel at home kind of kindness. In today's video, we are diving into stories from visitors around the world who were completely blown away by how nice Jamaicans really are. You won't want to miss this.
I once made a video talking about how Jamaicans are the sweetest people in the world, and I recently posted another video talking about I am not ready to leave Jamaica, but I know it's coming for me. And while the whole world is fighting about immigration and attacking people, a lot of you commented stay, and that just validates my point that Jamaicans are the sweetest people. And right now I'm not leaving Jamaica, just telling you. I still have some months left, and I just want to say thank you so much. I'm so happy that I got to live in this country and I got to feel that warmth. Although I don't know all of you, but you made this girl really happy.
Right now I'm in Jamaica for my husband's 40th birthday, and I gotta tell you guys that there is something that's even more beautiful than the beautiful waters. And this is the view from my hotel. Waters are freaking phenomenal. This video does no justice. What's more beautiful is the people. Oh my god. The people are the sweetest. And you know what's crazy? Me and my family, like, we love everything Jamaican. So I met my husband when I was 19, right? And he was 25. And we just love dancehall music. I'm talking about Beanie Man, Sean Paul, all the things. And we have a daughter now, and she's 5, and she absolutely loves old dancehall music. So when we came here, we were like, oh my god, because we love the culture, right? But no, honey, the people, they're just so sweet and so kind, and they literally just come up to my daughter and they're like, oh my god, you pretty girl, and they're like, yeah man, and they're like, can I get you anything? And they're just so freaking nice. They're like the warmest freaking fuzzy kind people I've ever met. So any Jamaicans out there that want to adopt me and my family, hit me up, because we want to be adopted by you. We love you.
Say to you, happy birthday. Come here, take my tune. Today your birthday, you look good. Yeah. Look how you're pretty and in your pretty frock. Wind up your waist and jiggle up your back. Yeah. Happy birthday, girl. Live 69 more. Happy birthday, beautiful.
So right now I'm currently like walking around the resort alone with headphones on, just exploring. There's a bar over there. I don't know if it's open, but I'm gonna try to see it if it is. I hope it is, because I want a pina colada. I don't know. I'm just gonna ask. I'm just gonna do it because I'm in another country. Fuck it. Hi, sorry. Are you open still or no? You're done? Okay. Oh, it's open? Oh, okay. Can I have a pina colada? Okay. I got a Bahama Mama instead because they didn't have any blender to make the pina colada. And look at the star. When the guy gave it to me, he said that I'm a star.
When visitors first arrive in Jamaica, they are greeted with vibrant colors, amazing music, and the sweet smell of jerk chicken in the air. But what hits them almost immediately? The people. Whether it's a taxi driver offering more than just a ride, a shop owner giving you a free sample, or a stranger stopping to help you with directions. One tourist from Canada said, I thought Jamaica would be all beaches and parties. But the first person I met smiled, helped me carry my bag, and invited me to dinner. I was not expecting that. It's stories like this that make visitors remember Jamaica not just for its beauty, but for its heart. Let's hear some reactions. I met a local at the market who insisted on giving me a sample of their homemade patties. I felt like family. Another one said, a stranger helped me fix a flat tire and refused any payment. I had never experienced that anywhere else. And lastly, we got lost in a small town and people came out of their homes to guide us safely. It was incredible. These are just a few examples of how Jamaicans go out of their way to show kindness, not because they have to, but because it's in their nature. So why are Jamaicans so welcoming? It's a mix of culture, community, and pride in their heritage. People grow up learning to greet strangers with respect, to help neighbors, and to celebrate life together. Even small gestures, a smile, a wave, offering help without being asked, leave a huge impact on visitors. It's not just princess, it's genuine warmth. And that's why people often say Jamaica feels like home from the moment they arrive. Some stories are downright funny too. A tourist says, I asked for direction and the guy not only guided me, he walked me to a place and refused to leave me until I was safe. And another one said, we were eating at a small roadside stand and the owner gave us extra food just because he felt happy we were visiting. It's those little moments that add up and make Jamaica unforgettable. It's easy to think of a trip in terms of sights and activities, but it's the people who leave the biggest mark. Visitors leave Jamaica not only with pictures and souvenirs, but with stories of human kindness that stay with them for a lifetime. That's what makes the island truly special. The culture, the beauty, and the hearts of the people. So what do you think makes Jamaica so welcoming? Have you ever experienced an act of kindness that completely surprised you while traveling? Drop your story in the comments. Let's celebrate the kindness that connects us all. And if you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stories about Jamaica and its amazing people. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the most unforgettable part of a trip isn't the insights, it's the smiles.